Welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to download Microsoft Teams recording. Open Microsoft Teams, go to Teams tab and find the channel where the meeting took place. Click on Files. Open the recordings folder. Select the meeting recording. Click on three dots and select download. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.